Yep, I'm hooked up. Lake Balboa, it is a horse on a 6-pound test. My line and my drag. Oh my god, oh my god, I don't know what kind of fish this is. I've been fighting it for the last 10 minutes. I'm thinking it's a carp the way it's pulling. Like I said, it's a horse. He's trying to get me into the rocks. I gotta fight this fish. My Okuma is putting up the fight of his life. This thing is a horse. I can't record. I don't have nobody to record me. It is barely 8 a.m. Trying to get this fish. I'm fighting it for 10 minutes. Nothing. It is far. Trying to break this into the rocks. Drag is tired. I gotta get this fish in. This happened again. This thing is way bigger than 8 pounds. More like probably 15, I want to say. I just thought I really wanted to show you guys the footage, but as you can tell, the horse is taking me for a ride by the ducks and it's trying to go for the deep rocks, so I gotta get it back in. I'll be back again. Oh yeah, if you don't mind, but hold it like this. And then make sure your finger doesn't get on the way of that little lens right here on the side. I don't know, you could probably see it in there.
Where is it? Over there. Is it going right now? You already stopped the video?
Yeah.
I think he's pretty old.
Oh, he's an old one, man. It's a big fish. Long fish, you know.
That's a good shot. Yeah.
He wants to go.
You want to keep going? Or?
Here, I'll get him in after, that's
Okay.
fine. I just wanted to get him in the
Yeah.
picture. I don't know if I can get this fish in, guys. It's so big. I mean, I'm trying to like at least show you guys the fish before I might break him off or something, because I tried to get him in once, but the thing is just ginormous. And I really do not seem to bring that fish in. I don't have a net with me, so that's horrible. And that fish is just breaking my rod. I just can't seem to do anything with it. Wow, look at that monster, okay? Look at the rod that did it all. Look at that. Look at that itty bitty rod next to that monster. That thing is ginormous, okay? Look at my foot next to it. See that? That's size 13 right there. Bam! That thing is a monster. Wow. I mean, like, that fish wants to go. It is a beauty. I don't have nobody to record me. That sucks. You're gonna go. Look at that pink worm. schnoz right there. Pink worms off. Big giant carp still here. Wow, this thing, honestly, is over 20, maybe even 30 pounds. It is abnormally big. I mean, look how fat that is, first of all. See that? That's where the fish is. I'm getting good lighting on it. Now I am. That's better lighting right there. Let's see fish. Let's see what you look like. It's fat. I was supposed to catch a bass, and I was thinking, oh, I haven't caught a carp in a long time. This is the biggest carp by far I've caught, because this thing is a monster. I mean, wow. This thing is bigger than my son. One goes over there. Let's see. I'm gonna measure it later. I gotta wash my hands real quick. I gotta put it next to my rod. See what it looks like. My rod's all jacked up from right there till where's my first guide? First guide's right there. So definitely not there. Right there. About 4 or 5 inches less than my first guide from the beginning of my rod, or the tip at the end of my rod. I really gotta let this fish go. I can't let it die. It is not dying on my watch. I can't even hold this fish. It's so heavy. I wish I had somebody to video it with me. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't hold this. That thing is abnormal. I want it to go. Go fish. Yep. And that thing was ready to go. It is a giant. I really didn't want it to die. Staying out of the water for a little too long. Another day at Lake Balboa, no bass. Sorry I didn't get myself in there, but there was nobody to video me around. Everybody got tired of watching me fight that fish. I must have been fighting for 30 minutes. Again at my same spot, and this time I picked up a monster carp. Peace out, everybody. Again, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Tell us what you would want us to catch in the future, what to improve. If possible, we will improve it. No negative comments, please. Have a nice day, everybody.